Hi guys, welcome to this session in Microsoft Excel. In this module, I want to go through how to do exercise 2, which is part of the Excel course, following on from module 2. So basically, this table on the right needs to look like that one on the left without copying and pasting. So let's go for it. So across the top there, that is merged and centered. So let's merge and center that, merge and center. These cells are at an angle, so let's do that anti-clockwise. Now they don't look right like that, so what I need to do on this one is just highlight those two and do merge and center, and highlight those two and do merge and center, and likewise those two and do merge and center. And then the whole thing needs to have borders on it, so I've got borders, and now I need to select all borders, like all borders, that one. And let's do some colors. So the top one is pink and black, so I need pink. Can't find the exact pink. We'll go for that one. That's the exact pink. And the rest of this needs to be pink. This area needs to be black, so I'll select black. The font needs to be white, like so. And then we have got two shaded lines at the bottom, so that's going to be Control 1, and we need to go to the Fill tab and select a pattern. Doesn't matter which one you pick, that one will do. And then last but not least, as far as I can see, is this needs to have a white border on it. So I've highlighted it. I'm doing Control 1 to get into Format Cells onto the Border tab. So this has got a border on already, but I want the thickest line. I want it to be white. So white, now I can't see anything, and I need to click that one and that one. I can't see anything because everything's white, but that's what I need to do. And then I click OK to that, and then that's put the thick border on it, and that's everything done. Now I could have done copy and paste, and I could have done the format painter as well. So if I just undo mine until it goes back to how we started, like that, that's how it was. So if I highlight this and click on the format painter and then just paste it over this one, do that again, so paste it all. You can see what's happened there. Look, it's just copied it completely. You copy in the formats, the text stays the same. I didn't go all the way down though, but how quick was that? So that's the format painter. But that's all I want to talk about in this little video, the exercise for module 2. So thanks for your time, and I'll catch you on the next one.